Hello everyone, I'm very happy to have you guys here. So today what we're going to talk about is how to link all your social medias together in one link. So here guys, this is my profile on Linktree. As you can see my logo here, my username here, my bio and my social media account here. As you can see, Linktree. So Linktree is a website whereby it's known all over the world. So this website helps you to add all your social media account link, like profile link there. So now let me go straight to the point. You go to your browser now and type Linktree signup. So as you can see guys, there is free trial. It is free to create a Linktree account. So click on this now and sign up. So now I'm going to go straight to my account. So once you click on sign up, you will be asked to add your social media account. Can you see this add button? This add button, you click on it. Once you click on it, as I'm clicking on it now, you see guys, here I want to copy my Quora account URL now. So my Quora account, I will copy my URL here. Then I will paste it here. So guys, I hope you are watching. Good. Okay. So guys, I have copied my Quora account profile link. So I'm back to Linktree here. So I will paste the link here, right here. See add link. Then after adding this link, you will see the link down here somewhere down. 1 minute, let it play. So guys, the link will appear here. Once the link appears here, if you want to change the link, you will click on this button and edit. But I'm not going to change the link, I'm just showing you how to. If you make click of pasting the link in the wrong place. So do you see this pen button and this pencil button? Click on it. So you'll be able to create the title of your link, like the social media account it is. So this link here is my Quora account. So there is one thing guys, if you want to move, like you want to arrange this social media the way you want, like you will go to this aspect. Do you see this side? Left click, then draw it down. Do you see that guys? If you want to draw it back, you will draw it back like that. Then you want to draw it down, so it's okay like this. So guys, do you see how everything is here? This is how everything is here. So now I'm going to scroll down to show you how I added the color you're seeing. So guys, do you see this appearance up above here? Click on this appearance button. Okay, once it's done loading, I will show you guys. Just for a few minutes more. Okay, good. So this appearance, do you see this button? You click on this button to pick an image from your device. This is how you are able to add your profile logo or your profile picture on this Linktree. Do you understand? Good. So this is the bio section. Here this is profile title, and here is the bio section of my Linktree account. So let me go down. So in this theme, you click on create theme, then it will automatically show it here. After it shows here, if you want to upgrade it to premium, there are other options here guys, and there are still other free ones here also. There are also other free themes here for you to use. So I already picked the one I love to use. So this background, in this background I click on gradient. This gradient, then I click on, do you see this place guys? This is the color I used. I click on color, then you scroll. If it's green you want to use, you can change it here. Any color you want to use, just change it here. So guys, after that, this front, there's a section also here, front. To change the front of your bio, I use the font I'm using. This is the font I'm using now. But if I want to change it, I'll click on this. You see, there are different type of fonts here. Let me scroll down for you to see. Do you see there are so many different types? So if you click on any of these fonts, okay, there are some fonts that are not free. Take note, there are some fonts that are not free. Like these fonts here, they are locked. You have to sign up as a pro account, like upgrade your account to pro, for you to be able to access all these other fonts here. But assuming I'm using this one, you see, when you click on save, after clicking on save, it automatically changes in this section here. So now everything is set, guys. Everything is set. So I want to share this link so that you'll be able to see how it's going to appear to any other person that is checking this link on your either your YouTube account, your Facebook account, your social media account, like any of those social media accounts. So I'm going to click on this share button. Do you see this share button, guys? Click on it. So here, do you see this copy? If you want to share directly to your social media account, it's here. But here now, I want to click on copy. Copy. So good. So I want to paste this link now. Yeah, you see, guys, do you see this? I'm just pasting the link. Okay, guys, do you see how everything works? You see, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your time, and kindly subscribe, comment, like my video, and kindly share it with your friends also. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye, guys.